when looking at a house, what are some red flags to look out for as far that might affect the risk and their policy?
Yeah, so things that impact the home when you're looking at it would be the age of the roof. We kind of covered that. If there's any existing claims open on it, so we are running into this a little bit with Duratio right now, where homes have damage, and we're trying to get through the sell process, and how's that going to be handled. But also other things to look at: water damage. Has the home had water in the basement before? If so, has it been corrected in that the cause of it? Did a sump pump have to be added, or is it just going to be a repeated problem? Electrical is huge. So if there's knob and tube wiring or fuses, this can stop your process and make you get an electrician to rewire the home. So that is a big one. Yeah, that's about it. And any of the updates that we were talking about, the roof, heating and cooling, any kind of burglar alarm system could also give some credit. So those are things to look at.
Don't get me started on fuses, those things. So do they really need to rewire everything in order to get coverage?
It kind of depends. So a lot of times it's just replacing the panel, the electrical panel with circuits. And then that's a much less expensive fix. And a lot of times what can be done. But some insurance companies won't even write the policy till that is done. And so that could stop your sell process if the seller doesn't want to handle that ahead of time. So
at least it's not knob and tube wiring, right? That one is.
That's when it has to be all done. That's a much bigger deal, and one that we do not see nearly as often. It's mostly a panel, which is a couple $100. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it does create a little bit of a glitch for you.